Hello everyone. Today in this session we will perform an activity, and in this activity we will test whether a substance is an acid or base with the help of litmus paper, and also we will learn how to make a homemade litmus paper. So before performing the activity, let's understand the concept of acid and base. And also about litmus paper. So first let's discuss what is acid. Well, acid is a substance that gives hydrogen ion in aqueous solution, whereas base is a substance that gives hydroxide ion in aqueous solution. So acid is a substance that gives hydrogen ion in aqueous solution, and base is a substance that gives hydroxide ion in aqueous solution, where this H plus represent hydrogen ion and OH minus represent hydroxide ion. And here aqueous solution means the solution in which water is solvent, okay, in which the quantity of water is more. So this is aqueous solution of water. So acid is a substance which give hydrogen ion in aqueous solution, and base is a substance which give hydroxide ion in aqueous solution. Example of acids, acid is H2SO4 sulfuric acid, HNO3 nitric acid, hydrochloric acid, etc. And example of base is sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, etc. Okay. And in this activity, we will test whether a substance is acidic or basic in nature. Now let's discuss about litmus paper. So what is litmus paper? Well, litmus paper is a special type of paper which is used to test whether a substance is an acid or base. Okay. So this litmus paper is of two types. One is called as blue litmus paper. So this is blue litmus paper because its color is blue. So this is blue litmus paper, and another one is red litmus paper. Red litmus paper. So this is a red litmus paper, and these litmus paper, they are used to test whether a substance is acid or base. Okay. And always remember that acid turns blue litmus paper into red, and it has no effect on red litmus paper, and base turns red litmus paper into blue, and it has no effect on blue litmus paper. Okay. So let's perform the activity. So the materials required for this activity are lemon juice, and this is baking soda solution, blue and red litmus paper, and do remember that you should not add any salt and sugar in it. It should be pure. Okay, lemon juice, and here this baking soda solution is made from water and 1/2 tablespoon of baking soda, which is easily available in our home. So let's start with this blue litmus paper. So let's pour few drops of lemon juice on one side of the blue litmus paper. So as you can see, when you pour a drop of lemon juice on a blue litmus paper, it turns into red color. See? And when you pour a drop of baking soda solution, its color doesn't change, it remains the same. Okay, and as we know, acid turns blue litmus paper into red, and basic solution has no effect on blue litmus paper. So we conclude that this lemon juice is acidic in nature. Now let's perform with this red litmus paper. So now let's pour one drop of lemon on one side of the red litmus paper. So here you can see there is no difference in color. Now let's pour one drop of baking soda solution on the other side. And you will see slightly its color changes into blue, and this conversion of red color into blue indicates that this baking soda is basic in nature. So you can see the difference. This lemon juice turned blue litmus paper into red, and this baking soda solution turns red litmus paper into blue, and this lemon juice has no effect on red litmus paper, and this baking soda has no effect on this blue litmus paper. So we conclude that this baking soda solution is basic in nature, and this lemon juice is acidic in nature. Okay. Now let's perform the second activity, that is how to make homemade litmus paper. So to make homemade litmus paper, we need 4 ingredients. First is this lemon juice, baking soda solution. Then here we have rose petals and 2 pieces of plain paper. Okay. So to make this homemade litmus paper, we need to rub this rose petals on this white plain paper like this. Okay, now after that we have to dip the paper, one paper, in lemon juice and the another one in baking soda solution. Okay, then we have to leave the paper for some time. Okay, we have to leave it to dry for some time. Now after 15 minutes our litmus papers are ready. So this is our red and blue litmus paper. So let's check whether it works or not. So this is red. As we know, lemon turns blue litmus paper into red. So let's check. So let's pour one drop of lemon on this blue litmus paper. So yes, it's working. It turns the blue into red and it has no effect on this red litmus paper. So our homemade litmus paper is ready. So in this way you can make litmus paper at your home with the help of rose petals, lemon juice. You can use any, you can use vinegar also, and baking soda solution, or you can use any salt water solution. So our second activity is also done. I hope you enjoyed this activity. Now let's discuss the conclusion of these activities. Now let's come to the conclusion of this activity. What you have observed in this activity. So in this activity we have observed that lemon juice is an acid because what? Because it turns blue litmus paper into red, and it has no effect on red litmus paper. And second point is what we have observed. We have observed that baking soda solution is basic in nature because it turns red litmus paper into blue, and it has no effect on blue litmus paper. So these are the conclusion. These 2 points are the conclusion of our activity. Okay.